All right, everybody, welcome back to Dee's and Staka's Adventures. We are doing more activities from our Lincoln Way basket. We are going to do Peeps Play-Doh. You need 4 Peeps, a spoon or spatula, coconut oil, and flour. What we're gonna first do is David's gonna put the Peeps in the bowl.
So take out all 4 Peeps?
Yes, sir. Put them in the bowl.
Take them apart.
You take them apart.
The spoon.
So put them in the bowl.
Why are the marshmallows like coming apart? Like why is some of them stretching?
Because that's what marshmallows do, bud. 2.
They're together?
Yep. 3 and 4. All right, perfect. So we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. What are you gonna do? Time, 30, and start. Should we count when we get to 10?
Yes.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we got 2 activities in one. Look at that.
It blew up.
So it blew up and it fell down. Slowly falling down. All right, David, I gotta grab the other Peep. That's okay. We'll grab them.
But they aren't all the way down.
That's all right. All right, everybody. We are going to move to the table. So David, grab the spoon, the flour, and the coconut oil. You don't need the bag, sweetheart.
Okay.
All right. We're walking to the table.
So I think this one's the coconut oil. And I think it came from a coconut. And the powder, I don't know where that came from.
So we are going to put the Peeps in a little bit of a bigger bowl. David, open the coconut oil.
This one, okay.
It's super sticky, so be careful. Okay. And then open the flour.
Okay. What's the coconut oil for?
To make Play-Doh. We're gonna make Peeps Play-Doh.
And the powder.
And the flour. So you're gonna dump all that.
Powder.
Well, you can call it powder, but you're gonna mix it until you can't mix it anymore, and then you can play with it.
Can I show them how to play with it?
Yeah, hold on one second. It is super sticky. I might just have to do it with my hands.
Is it sticky?
It is kind of sticky. So.
Does it feel good?
It's very squishy. All right, everybody. This is probably the best that we're gonna do. I'm gonna swivel it around a little bit more. All right, David, you can play with it for a little bit.
Isn't that gooey anymore?
It's not as gooey, right? Because
It feels like Play-Doh. Like I can stretch it like Play-Doh. And I see one of the eyes. And then you can roll out your Play-Doh. Your Peep Play-Doh. I'm smashing the player because it's coming apart. So if that happens, you might smash it to get it to stay together. Can I take apart the Peep Play-Doh?
Sure, if you want to.
So I'm stretching apart the Peep Play-Doh into little pieces. I see an eye. And I stretched it. I'm going to put it inside one again. Then I'm going to switch these pieces into some smaller ones. This looks good. It looks good, like a little better if you would eat it than the plain Play-Doh. I mean the Peeps.
You don't want to eat that, David.
Yeah, but I'm just saying it looks a little better. But don't try it. I'm just saying, maybe it might taste a little better, like it looks a little better. Because I don't think it has that much more marshmallow taste to it. But don't eat it. Because that would not taste good.
Are you going to make anything special with it?
I know what I'm going to make. A stick figure. First I'm going to take a piece, roll out the head. I'm going to show you guys how to make a stick figure out of Peeps Play-Doh. 2. So we made the Play-Doh, now I'm going to show you how to make it. Something. So it's a little harder than Play-Doh to use. So I'm making the head for the stick figure. I need some more Peep Play-Doh. There's the head. Now I'm going to use a little more to make the body. There. Then I'm gonna make the arms. I'm trying to make the best stick figure I probably can with Play-Doh. And then I'm gonna stretch that out a little and use some of these pieces to make the legs. 1 leg, 2 legs. And then I'm going to make a box. I'm gonna kind of make something like a place for it to stand on. There. Now my figure can lay here, and then this is like the bed for my stick figure. So then I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm gonna make my bed. I'm almost finished. It's like a dragon bed. This
cool.
is the pillow. This is where that's to get off, and that's a stick figure, and that's you.
Nice.
I tried to do the best I could.
All right, everybody. Well, this is a cool, easy little experiment / activity you could do. And D?
Bye, and remember to subscribe
to
D and Staka's Adventures. Happy Bunny Day.